Makes me look like this bougie girl. It didn't cover anything. Not a wife yet, but the color is luxury. She's like, मुझे तू मेरा नाम डालती but actually तो तू वही पहनती जो तुझे पहनना है. Then we had the funniest outfit of the night. It was just out there and my boobs are all out. You can just style it in 10,000 ways, but the top in itself is just so bougie. I think I have a very like hot body. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Prableen and today we're doing yet another Zara haul. I have ordered a lot of things. काफी court sets है, काफी dresses है. I also have like a shirt, tops. Very not everything is very summer vibes. Like I really like all of these outfit options and I think you guys will enjoy watching it too because it's just been like a monthly thing. जो भी मुझे Zara में अच्छा लगता है मैं online order कर देती हूँ and then it comes home. It's so easy to just order, get everything whatever you like, you can just keep it and then you can return the rest of it. And yeah, I am going to show you everything I got in my size. So if you are someone that's close to my size, or I think I'm a size 18 and I'm also a size XL, XXL. Some brands also have my size in L. So if you're close to my size and if you think you want to see what all I got from Zara, then definitely keep on watching. But before that, if this is the first time that you're seeing me, then hi, I'm Prableen. I create content around makeup, fashion, lifestyle. We're all filter free. Take a moment, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell, and without any further ado, let's just jump right into the video. I've just kept my makeup so basic today क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल भी कुछ भी करने का मन नहीं कर रहा था. मैंने सिर्फ अंडर आइज पे कंसीलर लगा के एक बोल्ड लिपस्टिक लगाई है so that it just enhances the look and makes me look like this bougie girl. But that's been the vibe recently. I am either completely into colors or I'm completely into neutrals, and recently I've been into neutrals. Like in the last one and a half month मुझे सब neutral colors बहुत अच्छे लग रहे हैं, like beiges and browns and nudes and beige and cream and white. So yeah, I'm really enjoying it. I think I have a very like hot body, like not a hot body, I have a hot body, but also like मेरी body में बहुत गर्मी है, so I have to have like छाछ and like ठंडा पानी and all of that. बहुत often for me to not like break out. गर्मियों में मुझे body पे breakouts बहुत होते हैं. Like I start getting like boils, small tiny boils on my thighs or like on my hands, like this. I don't know if you can see, like ऐसे मुझे बिल्कुल पसंद नहीं है. And then they're also like hurtful, so that's a different problem altogether. But let's go. So the first outfit is this. Now this is a very cute, chic cream like top. It's थोड़ा asymmetrical, थोड़ा टेढ़ा ऐसे side से, but the top in itself is just so bougie and it gives such like luxe vibes. And I've just kept it very basic and I've worn like these earrings with it. Already it looks very flattering, gives very luxury vibes. Like if you just wear this with the pants, the cord set that it has come with, the pants are too long for me, which is why I personally am not a fan, but it's fine because I'm short. I'm 5'3". But yeah, that's actually a problem with all Zara like pants. Cord sets के अंदर आप कुछ भी order करो, हमेशा pants बहुत लंबे होते हैं. And then I either have to wear like heels या ऐसे कुछ तो ही जाके मुझे वो properly fit होते हैं, otherwise they just don't. So yeah, that's that. But I really like the fit. I think it's very comfortable, very summer vibes and summer luxury bougie wife vibes. Not a wife yet, but yes, still I feel that it's very comfortable and easy breezy, so it's nice. If you want to like throw on a jacket or something, you can totally do that and just ace the look because it does look very cool and chic. So yeah, I think this is a good piece and I might probably keep it. The next outfit we have is this. Now this is a beautiful vest and this is again from Zara. It's the size XL and this retails for 2,990 rupees and yeah, it's an XL. Now this color, firstly I've never had anything in this color. It's like a tan camel brown color and oh my god, I wore this for an event. I'm gonna put a picture right here. I wore this, you cannot believe मुझे इतने compliments मिले ये color के अंदर. This comes with a cord set. So the pants, these are the pants that it comes with and the pants are for 3,590 rupees. Like ये pants लंबे नहीं है, these are like capri pants. They're not like full length ones, थोड़े ankle तक आते हैं मेरे. And I totally don't mind. Like जिस दिन मैं event पे जाने वाली थी उस दिन मैं ये पहन के जाने वाली थी. But I don't know why. I was like maybe I just don't want to wear the pants. I want to wear a dress and then I want to style it with the dress. And it was such a good decision because it looked stunning. Like it hugged me so well and it just stood out beautifully. I feel it just complemented my look so much that I got so many compliments. वो तो चलो अलग बात है, but the fit of it was also very nice. It's very luxury. The color is luxury, and you can just wear it in so many places. You can just tone it down with just wearing this with like ripped jeans or like a cargo denim jeans with sneakers, and you will look so freaking cool. There are just so many ways to style this and I personally loved it. I think I'm not going to keep the pants because the pants are a little too tight on my waist. Like they're exactly my fit. मुझे waist पे एकदम perfectly hug होता है. But the problem with it is that I feel that it still can be a little better. And stomach से मुझे बहुत ही ऐसे when I sit I feel like मेरा button टूट जाने वाला है. And I don't like to wear clothes that make me feel like that. So yeah, but the fabric of it is so good. It's so thick. And like it's very luxury and I really like it. Next is this very pretty outfit from Zara. This is for 1990. This is ये सिर्फ 3 sizes में आ रहा था, S, M and L, और मैंने L size pick किया. Now मेरे पास काफ़ी टाइम से कोई cheetah print, leopard print, कोई ऐसे printed dress या corset set नहीं था, and I wanted to get something of this vibe. But ये थोड़ा net fabric है और इसका like मुझे ऐसा वाला जो टाइट इलास्टिक होता है that completely ऐसे just shrugs into and then leaves like a bulge on my body. मुझे वैसे outfits इतने नहीं पसंद. But I did style this and I did wear it and I'm gonna show you the reel also that I did. I don't know अगर आपने मुझे shorts पे या YouTube पे देखा होगा तो आपको वो reel समझ में आएगी मैं कौन सी reel के बारे में बात कर रही हूँ. It is like a very nice fabric and it's very soft. And it nicely hugs me. इसको I think even if I wear it with like a plain black top and just accessorize it a little differently, it still will look very nice. I really liked it. It came with this top. This again is in size L and this is for 1190. Whenever I wear such tops ना जहाँ पे either it's like a tube top or either it's like a I don't know like an off shoulder top or even if it's like ऐसे tops मेरी मम्मी कोई problem नहीं, but ऐसे tops she has a very big problem with. This time when she came home, we were just literally fighting on my clothes. And she hates it when I keep telling y'all that I make decisions according to what my mom tells me. But that is actually the truth because she's like, मुझे तू मेरा नाम डालती but actually तो तू वही पहनती जो तुझे पहनना है, which is also true. But I feel that in my mind I'm not revealing too much or if I'm not ऐसे exposing too much. I know what I'm comfortable in and whatever I'm comfortable in I wear that. So she always used to tell me that you have like a very heavy chest so you should not wear too revealing necks वाले outfits जहाँ पे तेरा cleavage बहुत दिख रहा है. तो ट्यूब अभी पहना तो उसके अंदर cleavage कहाँ दिख रहा है, तो अभी इसमें क्या प्रॉब्लम है. तो she's like नहीं अभी तेरा ये बहुत दिख रहा है क्योंकि तूने ट्यूब टॉप पहना है. So I'm like मैं कुछ भी पहनूँ आपको प्रॉब्लम होने वाला है, फिर शायद मैं पूरा बैक ओपन करके दिखाऊँ तो भी आपको नहीं पसंद आने वाला है. So it's like a constant battle but it's fine. So this top also is very cute. ये ऐसे पहन के इसको if I have to tie it like this. And it actually just hugged me so well. I wanted to style this with like denim jeans as well because I just love the vibe of this with like denim jeans and like boots. It's a fun vibe. So I wanted to style this too. So I think I will because I am keeping this. The next thing I have are these two bodycon dresses. Now this is a white bodycon dress जिसका stomach पे थोड़े like if you see side से उसकी stitching ऐसे की हुई है कि stomach पे you can bring like the shrinks और ऐसे आप layers डाल सकते हो ऐसे उसको shrink करके. You can make it like shorter or you can make it long, that's fine. It's like a nice long bodycon dress and it actually hugs me beautifully and I love bodycon dresses. इसका fabric is also very nice. It's like a ribbed material. Can you see this? And honestly ऐसा kind of fabric just can be styled in a lot of ways because आप उसको casual भी बना सकते हो, आप उसको very bougie and expensive भी बना सकते हो. It's the same outfit in black that I wore with the beige vest. जो मैंने अभी recently style किया था. This is the same black dress and this again looked so nice and it was so comfortable. I just wore it with like black heels और ये काफ़ी अच्छा लग रहा था. मतलब इसका material, everything about this was just very nice. They're for 2000 rupees and I am going to keep these as well. The next thing we have is this skirt, which basically is like a squat, like बीच में इसके shorts जैसा ये है, and this is for 2590 rupees. It actually looked very cute, okay, on the website, and I thought that I don't have a squat, so probably I should just get this and style it for myself, but it just did not fit me, and then it's not even stretchable, and the squat जो बीच में उसका cutout है, it's very small, like this is very chotu for my down there. It didn't fit me that well and this is in XL, but मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा. But I feel if you are like a size down or if you think that you want something like this, it's very pretty. I think it looks stunning, but just not for me. Then we had the funniest outfit of the night, which is this outfit. Okay, now this is like a white outfit. If you see the picture, you'll be like this was one outfit जो मैंने picture में देखा and I'm like, ये कब मंगाया था? ये कब मंगाया था मैंने, क्योंकि मुझे बिल्कुल भी याद नहीं है that I've ordered anything like this, because guys it was such a random top. It didn't cover anything. I was supposed to like tie it like this and then it was supposed to cover my boobs, like ऐसे flat गिरना चाहिए था ये. Nowhere did it cover anything. It was just out there and my boobs were all out. It was just not a good outfit, so sorry, returning it. Next thing we have is this plain striped shirt, an oversized shirt that I wanted for a very long time. This is in the size XXL. I just like very oversized shirts where I can just layer it on with like denim jeans, top, like a ribbed top, and then this on top, and then it just looks very cool. But I didn't style it because बहुत ही ज़्यादा बड़ा हो गया, और even though the color and the stripes and everything is very nice, but I just feel that the material is not my vibe. उसमें मुझे और गर्मी लगेगी because it's not exactly cotton also, and I just didn't understand. थोड़ा ये थिक मटेरियल है और गर्मी में तो मैं सोच के मुझे गर्मी लग रही थी उसको देख के कि ये इतना थिक है ये मटेरियल, so I could not like keep it, so I am going to return this as well. Next we have this very stunning top. It's in size L and it's for 1890. Now this is like an off-shoulder top that I wore for this shoot as well. I think I might have like a few pictures that I will add here, and it does look really cute. Okay, it does look very cute, but नीचे से, because I have like very heavy boobs, नीचे से it was just very tigda and it was just not fitting that well. It was giving me that crunch on my stomach in the design, but otherwise I just didn't feel that it was doing what it was supposed to. थोड़ा uncomfortable था पहनने के लिए, मतलब एक जगह से टाइट था, आध जगह से बराबर नहीं था, तो I was like, what is this outfit? So I think I'm gonna return this as well. The next outfit we have is this. Now this is again like a very off-white top and it does look stunning. It's like another bougie ass top, but my just boobs didn't fit. Everything is out, like out. This is how it looks like. It looked very pretty in the picture and I was like, I want to get this, but it was just my boobies were fully out and I just could not get myself to wear it or keep it, so I'm going to return this as well. Like from the stomach it looked really nice. If you're comfortable showing like a lot of your boobs, then it's fine, but I was not, so I'm going to return it. Next we have these pants. Now ever since I saw these people like from Korea and from like even in LA, a lot of these people just wear this with like a nice white top or like a white vest and it looks so freaking cute. But when I wore it, it was just not in my size. मैंने सबसे biggest size जो था Zara में उसमें order किया. This is in size XL and it's for 3,290 rupees. इतना खर्चा करने के लिए I was ready, but nobody had it available in my size. I was searching it on H&M also. उधर भी मेरा size available नहीं था. It just looks like such a nice top with like this top, like pants with this top would look so good together, and it just did not fit. I love the color though. Like if you are of a smaller size, you definitely should get it because it's such a luxurious color and it just looks so fun and nice and just classy. The next thing I called for were these pants. Now these are very comfortable, like straight fit pants. I will not lie, I was very excited to get this because ये वो वाला material है जो बिल्कुल भी आपको, can you see, it's like that slippery material, and it dries out very soon, and it does not crease also. You can just style it in 10,000 ways and it will still not disappoint you because this does not wear off. ना ही इसका color जाता है, ना ही कुछ होता है. So everyone should get something like this in their wardrobe, but this again did not fit me. This was in the size XL and this is for 3,290 rupees, and this has like pockets as well, like it's like fake pockets, but it still has pockets, and this also did not fit me. So I was like very disappointed with all the pants that I got from Zara because none of them fit me. And then I had this coat set again. This was like a very comfortable fancy set that I got. I think I'll have like a picture that I can upload and show you because I feel that it looked very nice in the picture, but in person when I tried it on, firstly it's see-through, like can you see, everything is like visible from inside. तो वो एक problem था. It has pockets but they're very tiny because I remember putting my hand and like कुछ भी उसमें fit नहीं हो रहा था. First problem is that it's too long. Second problem is that it's difficult to tie it around because ये fully like, it's like a very nice beach or like a pool के पास लेट के chill करने वाला outfit because you can just wear like your lingerie and you can just wear it like an overall and go out. You can't wear it outside because it's fully see-through, like you can literally see everything from inside. And if you don't want like a wardrobe malfunction, because the top also is very uncomfortable, it keeps opening up and it's just not too comfortable. So I was like, I am not going to keep this because then it does not make sense for me to wear it and then not be able to reuse it. That is actually it for today's Zara haul. I really hope you guys enjoyed watching it. If you did, give it a big fat thumbs up and let me know आपको और क्या चाहिए मैं try करूँ या मैं जिसको order करके आपको उसका experience बताऊँ या first impressions करूँ. I've been extremely consistent on YouTube and I'm actually very proud of it because it takes a while for me to understand what is going to work on YouTube and not, but now I've understood that what is working for me. You love hauls, you love my PR unboxings, you love my sit down videos, my chatty get ready with me's. I'm going to continue doing those, but yeah, till then, keep watching my shorts and follow me on my Instagram if you're not already, and I will see you guys super soon.